In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Hostinger domain. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident managing your digital domain presence. So, let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. It's a vibrant place where you can bring your ideas to life online. You'll find a lot of empowering tools and resources there, but for now let's focus on getting to your domain. Once you are on Hostinger's homepage, navigate towards the top right corner where you'll see the option to log in. Click on that. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If not, you'll need to set up an account by following the on-screen prompts. It's a fairly straightforward process. Logging in is essential as it grants you access to your personalized dashboard where you manage everything related to your hosting and domain. After logging in, you'll be directed to Hostinger's H-Panel, a user-friendly interface designed for ease of use. On the H-Panel, you'll want to look for the Domains section. This is your hub for managing all things domain related. Click on Domains. This section will provide you with a comprehensive list of any domain names you've registered or are currently managing through Hostinger. Next up, select the Manage button next to the domain you wish to configure. This will take you to a new page where you can view and edit various settings associated with your domain. Whether it's tweaking DNS settings or setting up privacy and transfers, you'll find the management options here. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with each section as these tools are vital for domain management. Remember, managing a domain is a key part of maintaining your website's online presence. Make sure to explore these settings carefully, but if you're unsure at any point, Hostinger's extensive support resources are available. They provide helpful guides and customer service options to answer any questions you might have. So there you have it, you've successfully navigated through Hostinger and are now ready to manage your domain. It's all about providing a seamless experience for you to build and maintain your online identity. Practice these steps a few times and you'll become proficient in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips and tricks.